Looking for peak performance and show-stopping looks? US Radiator delivers the cooling you need. And hey, for more awesome builds and insights, hit that subscribe button for ScottieDTV. Steve?
Scotty.
How are you, brother?
Blessed, brother.
I'm telling you, what a beautiful day, right?
It is very nice, very nice.
Yep, and get a little bit of this pollen out of here at some point. We'll be able to breathe and enjoy it.
Right. That's the only thing about East Tennessee, you get the pollen.
That's the nice thing about the color of this truck, though.
Yeah, you don't even see it.
That's right. It's got a yellow hue to it. It's almost like a pearl that it puts on it. Man,
Yeah.
what a cool truck. I really dig this one.
It's a pretty nice truck. A 65 Chevrolet C10 with it's got a 383 stroker motor in it with a 700R transmission.
Nice.
And then it's got a carrier rear end with a 373 gears. And it's got the Holley ram air injection on the top of it. So it sounded pretty good when we cranked it up. It wanted to get up and go.
I like the wheels. I like the stance.
Yeah, it was built by Insane Hot Rods out of somewhere in East Tennessee. I forgot the name of the place it was at.
Okay.
But it's Insane Hot Rods. Dwayne Morgan built the truck. And color is alien green.
Oh, okay.
So they did alien green outside and then a gray on the inside. A lot of the inside's painted, and we just matched up some leather and painted it, covered it all in the gray leather and with a green stitch. And we needed a lot of green, so we put the diamond pleated. It's a little different type of diamond pleat. It's got elongated. They small at the bottom and get long, sort of like an alien style type of insert and everything.
It's double stitched?
Yeah, we double stitched it, and the French seam's double stitched.
Okay.
And then the diamonds herself are single stitched in the green. So we got some alien green stitch to match his alien green truck.
No, I think it matches perfect. And cool headliner you put in it.
Yeah, it's a suede headliner, and then we did a little bit darker suede. You can look when you're looking at the door panels, it's just a shade darker from the door panel, and we did the center console the same way. It's just a shade darker than the seat, so it's got that two-tone look without having a two-tone look. You see,
right.
It's got what's different about that? Just enough to make it look really cool looking.
I like when you do that with paint. Say they use the same color, but they use a different texture of clear, and that gives it just a nice, different little hue. You know what I'm saying? Gives you some texture, some depth.
Yeah.
And so no, I think you and the boys killed this one. I think that the truck being street machine, Alienware kind of a thing, and the interior looks aggressive like that.
Yeah. Yeah, he's been working on it for a few years. He's on the way to get it down. It belongs to Daryl Mollenhan out of Middlesboro, Kentucky.
Okay.
So it's a pretty neat. He's on his way to get it, take it back, get it finished up, do a few little odd and end things to it. Still got to do a little bit of buffing and cleaning on. All of them needs a final cleaning and buffing.
Oh yeah. And
then he'll be ready to take it to some shows.
Good deal. I hope he gets it out and some people get a chance to see it.
Yeah.
If people want to keep up with what you're doing, what's the best way to do that?
Obviously, ScottieDTV.
Sure, tune in for that.
And then if you Google my name, Steve Holcomb Custom Interiors, there'll be tons of videos come out that you've done for us and other videos Garrett's done over the years, little shorts.
Right.
And then we got Facebook and Instagram and pretty much a little bit of everything.
Right on.
But yeah, if you just Google my name, it'll give you a list of stuff that you can go and check out.
Right on.
So,
anybody you need to give a shout out to?
Well, again, all of our crew, they do a great job, and they put up with me while I'm trying to hammer them. Say, look, we got to get this done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. So, but they all do good. Tim, Richard, Will, Fraker, Garrett, and Louise. They all do a great job. Hope I ain't missing somebody.
I'm sure we are. We didn't mean to.
No. Yeah, but they all do great work. I'm thankful and blessed to have them all.
Well, I think they killed another one.
I do too. I appreciate it, Scotty.
Thank you, brother. So there you go from Steve Holcomb, Pro Auto Custom Interiors. A very cool 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.